Hi, all. Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to discuss something which is shaping the AI. It's called DeepSeek AI. So, whether you are a tech enthusiast or a business owner or someone who's just curious about the future, this episode is for you. So, don't go anywhere and stay all the way till the end. So, DeepSeek AI is a China based startup which recently launched a large language model and it's open source. This company was founded in 2023 by Liang Wenfeng, who's also a hedge fund um owner or a or founder, and he's backing DeepSeek AI. He is an information and electronic technology graduate. So, if you have to relate DeepSeek AI with other technologies, then you can think of OpenAI or Claude AI from Anthropic or Perplexity. So, all these different large language model, they are competing directly with DeepSeek AI. And the reason why DeepSeek AI is so much in news currently is because it recently launched its latest model R1, which is at par with OpenAI's latest model, and it is developed at a fraction of cost compared to what other large language model developers have been using. So to give you perspective, DeepSeek's AI R1 model was developed in under $6 million investment and in just 2 months time frame. If you compare it with other models, in general, AI models have an investment of anywhere from $100 million to $1 billion, and they take quite a significant time to develop. So it's a kind of a revolutionary technology, and that's why everyone is so much excited about it. So DeepSeek has a kind of a web and an app-based interface, but it is using its older model. We'll check it out in this video. And the latest R1 model is available through an API call. And there's a small cost associated to it, but it is, in fractions compared to what OpenAI and other LLM model providers charge. So when you ask some question to DeepSeek AI, it uses natural language processing, machine learning, and deep neural network knowledge to find out what actually you're looking for and try to provide an answer. So, for example, when you say, like, I want to learn a new language, then it will not just share you a bunch of links from the internet. It will truly try to understand what your intent is and try to provide you a solution which will help you in learning a new language. Something more about DeepSeek R1 model. So, it is developed under MIT Open Licensing Agreement, so anybody can access it. And it is developed in an open source way, and it's that's why it's so cheaper compared to other large language models. And it was developed in a record time. Now, what are the implications of DeepSeek carbon model and how it's impacting, different companies and us? So first, it is putting big tech companies like OpenAI, Google in a difficult position, right? They have spent a lot of money, and now DeepSeek has come up, which is able to provide LLM model at a fraction of cost. So it definitely hurts these companies. Users may start switching from these companies to DeepSeek, and that's why you see recently in stock market had a huge drop. This is also providing some of the AGI hints. Uh, it's self-correcting and reasoning logic, if scaled properly, can bring us closer to true AGI. Now, third, there are certain restrictions on compute and GPU export to China, and that has forced them to come up with innovative solution. And they were able to develop DeepSeek R1 model with limited infrastructure and facilities they have. Next is compute revolution. So DeepSeek R1 has proved that good and efficient architecture can help in solving problems rather than using brute force, which is used by other AI companies who are scaling at a massive, large level without improving their architecture. And next is gap between open source and funded companies. So as we see, the gap is closing, and DeepSeek, which is an open source version of a LLM model, is very close to replacing these well-funded AI startups. Now let's quickly check out this web version of DeepSeek AI. So, you just go to DeepSeek website, uh, and I have already logged in using my Google. So when you click on it, it'll take you there. You can also create a sign in. Currently, the sign in was kind of limited because of a lot of bots and attacks were happening on DeepSeek. Um, so you might have to be a little patient. And the interface is pretty much similar to ChatGPT, Claude, anything. You can write a question here. You can attach, document and search through the web. This current model which they have on web and app is little old, so it's not as advanced as the R1 model, which was developed recently. And that R1 model is accessible through APIs. So if you are having an application which is using AI, then you can use that R1 model. So great. So you can ask it to do anything, create content, generate codes. So I'll just ask it to, write a YouTube script. Great. So now it is going ahead and creating a complete YouTube script, YouTube script, which I can use it and create video. And this video is created by using script created by DeepSeek AI. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any suggestion, then please feel free to drop a comment. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Thanks.